Alright, let's go Wessex blades.
Quick update. This is quite good. The grinder, not the hat. Now, that's quite a uniform initial grind. That's a blank with a Danelaw. Okay, so I've done my scribe line. I'm not be able to pick that up. Not quite. Okay, so scribe my line. I've got a couple of mil left, just before I use my propane forge for the heat treat. But that ain't bad. I'll get up and running, show you how it works. It's the usual affair. Highly complex, very involved.
Okay. Block of wood. Cutouts. There and there. Block of wood. With a little step on it to rest the blade on. So blade sits on there with ever such a slight angle. Okay, so sits on there, belt coming down this way as you run it along backwards and forwards on that little step there. So as the battery starts to die, I'll just get it running to show you. Oh yeah, no on switch, right? I'll just plug it in. Right. One pour. And anyway, so, No.
Sure, it's not fast. It's not brutally fast. But if I can get a uniform grind like that in what, like 4 or 5 minutes, that means I can grind them pre-heat treat 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, done. What else have I done tonight? There's a Danelaw was done. A Vesp was improved. And a Mantis was fiddled with. So, no vibration. I've used a dust mask. All the dust has gone down there, not all over here. Which, use an angle grinder, the whole garage is literally black. I hoovered the back of my garage door with carpet on it. It's like soundproofed. It's just, good lord, as if that is as indicative of what the rest of the garage is like. You know, there could be 3 kilograms of carborundum disc and steel in dust around my garage. So at least the dust is going to be contained down at the bottom of the grinder. The jig is working to give me a 20 degree, and it's very relaxed. No vibration. So, just a little update, it's working very well. So it's not blindingly quick, it's not chewing the metal off, but as far as the creation of something useful out of a gift and an old motor, a pulley and a belt, I sort of got a half decent bit of kit here, and I'm able to give myself that initial Scandi grind, so pre-heat treat, and then all I got to do is convex it afterwards on me Audi. Sweet. So I'm off to bed now because I'm knackered. Little update. So I've got a scribe line, new grinder. Things are getting there. Got to crack on with a sheath. It's going to be very nice. The whole point was the piggyback little blade that went with the sheath, I had to finish off. And I wanted to back it off a little. I wanted to do a really good job. Didn't have any plunge line. Now we got it. I can back it off. Press on with that big job. So Scott Wessex blades. Looking up. Thanks for joining again. Give you a last view of this little beastie. On my face. And sunset.